Microsoft has unveiled additional details on the Microsoft Surface Duo, marking the debut of its upcoming dual-screen smartphone, headed to store shelves on September 10. The company has confirmed a release ahead of schedule for the experimental foldable one set for holiday 2020, providing additional context around the upcoming launch. The Microsoft Surface Duo starts at $1,399 in the US, according to a recent Microsoft Tech Community blog post from Frank Buchholz, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Microsoft. The device ships with two previously reported dual 5.6-inch, 4:3 displays bound by a 360-degree hinge, and spanning to 8.1 inches when opened flat. Unveiled today and shipping September 10, Surface Duo represents the next wave of mobile productivity, inspiring people to rethink what is possible with the device in their pocket. Surface Duo delivers the easiest way to multitask on the go, bringing together the power of Microsoft 365 experiences and the full ecosystem of Android mobile apps. Thanks for watching.